is interesting is the entire dairy space. Given that this time around we are in for a strong winter, poor monsoon, milk prices have gone higher. And if milk prices do go higher, it will have a direct and indirect impact on the entire dairy supply chain. Mr. RS Sodhi, President with the Indian Dairy Association, joins us now. Let's take a conversation forward with him. Sodhi Saab, good morning. So nice to have you back.
Good morning, Nikunji. How are you? Fine, thank you.
So how's life changed for you after Amul?
Life is not changed. Still with the milk only because I'm now President India Dairy Association, which is basically a 74 years old organization representing the whole dairy industry of India, cooperative, private, equipment, veterinary, universities, everything. So better learning.
The data points are indicating that milk prices have gone higher, and that's largely because of a scarcity because of heat wave. Now heat wave happened in Feb. March was okay, April is normal. So if heat wave is not there, why are milk prices gone higher? Farmers are saying heat wave, prices have gone higher. But temperature to theek hai.
I think, Nikunji, you're right. Prices have gone higher. And what is the reason before I tell it? Are you happy or not? Or your viewers are happy or not with the increase in milk prices?
Okay. Do you see milk prices going lower if there is a good monsoon? Because IMD is now talking about a normal monsoon this year.
Yeah. No, what I'm saying is, I'm asking you a question. Are you happy with the price increase or not?
Sir, why will I be happy? As a consumer, every morning.
Yes, you are. Yeah, I'm also, my wife is also not happy. And I feel you are very happy when Sensex goes up, Nifty goes up, any of blue chip company profits go up. But we feel very unhappy when farmers' income increases. You see, when food prices increases, it is passed on to the farmer, and his income increase is equal to the what increase we pay in the market. So let me tell you, let us not take it negatively. For major portion of India, it is a positive sign. Now let us look into what are the reasons. I don't think that heat wave is the reason for this price increase. Actually, if you see, last 15 months, price increase of milk is around 12 to 15%. That is correct. But if you see last 3 years, 36 months, that is March 20 from COVID period to till today, increase is less than a 7% per annum. Total increase in 3 years is only 18 to 19%. It is the lowest increase in price in any food category, whether foods, vegetable, edible oil, poultry, or you take anything, or pulses, etc. Why this increase? Reason is simple. During COVID day, input costs had increased. Farmers could not increase the price because of surplus milk. So commodity prices reduced. So most of the states, dairy reduced purchase price to the farmers. So farmers were making losses, but because of the glut market conditions, price could not be increased. So they could not invest in new animals. They could not invest in feeding animals properly. And also because of COVID, the artificial insemination whole infrastructure got delayed because of movement of people were restricted. And last year this lumpy skin care, which impacted some parts of India. So overall, one side input cost increased around 20%. 1.5 year price could not be increased. So what you see increase is the impact of last 3 years, not of any heat. Heat, you see, it is highly unpredictable. Earlier people were saying that summer has come early, then suddenly winter came. Now again say today IMD has declared that western part of India will be a 20 to 40% low monsoon. So it is difficult to say, but I can tell you farmers are happy, they are getting good price, and we also should be happily paid what is a genuine price being paid for the food or for the milk.
Nobody is complaining that the farm income is not going higher. Rural economy is gone under stress. But I'm just trying to understand the dynamics here. Ultimately, what determines demand, what pricing is demand and supply scenario. The demand has not grown exponentially in last couple of years. It is pretty much going in and around.
No. It has gone up. Because especially after monsoon, because of Horeca opening and out-of-home consumption increasing, there has been tremendous increase in demand. And the reason can be that increase in price of milk or dairy products have been lower than the other protein or fat dairy alternative, food products. So what happened is because of food is highly price elastic, demand has gone up. Horeca is consuming a lot. And growth in production has not taken place at par with the growth in demand. So there is a tight position, but I'm telling you, this is just for a few months more. As this winter comes, everything will stabilize. And till that, prices may not go up, but I also don't expect this to price going down also.
All right, Mr. Sodhi, hi there, good morning. Let's also get in some perspective from you as to what the outlook is when it comes to the summer season as well, because it clearly seems to have now descended upon us, and we will see some increased demand as well for select dairy products like ice cream, lassi, curd. What is it that you're penciling in, in light of some of the factors that you've already highlighted for these particular product categories?
Well, you are right. This summer demand is very good. If we take ice cream, last year also most of the ice cream companies had seen a volume increase of 40 to 50%. And this summer also, everybody is expecting around 15 to 20% volume growth in ice cream also, because especially the demand is coming from the tier 2, tier 3 cities. And during the COVID, people started eating more ice creams at home, in home consumption. So that is carrying on. And then marriage and other things are really opening up. So demand for ice cream is good. But more than ice cream, consumption is going more towards curd, buttermilk, lassi, or beverages. These products also consume a lot of milk and dairy products. So overall, I'm telling you, in all products, leave aside this, even milk consumption has gone up. All the companies have registered tremendous volume growth in this financial year's milk. And I'm again telling you, reason is price increase in milk and dairy products have been lower than the other food products. So that is where you can say demand has shifted. But now I feel because of this
link, we're just going to get back to Mr. Sodhi right now, perhaps in just a short while from now. In the meantime, let's just take stock of what the market is up to before we take it across to Kunal as well as Naresh. Yeah, I think Mr. Sodhi is back. Mr. Sodhi, if you can hear me clearly, please finish your point.
Yeah. So what I'm saying is, in last 12, 15 months, whatever increase has happened, it is okay. And it is going to impact consumption also in the long term. So most of the dairy companies are not interested to increase the price further. So they don't want the consumption will reduce, because it is going to impact long-term demand of dairy and the income to the farmers. Because whatever good price we are paying to the farmers, we expect a bumper production next winter and more than that 24-25 winter. So even if dairy companies they want to keep the prices same, so consumption of volume growth increases.
Mr. Sodhi, always a pleasure having you on the show today. Thanks, as always, for joining in with your inputs.
Thank you.
Okay.